right, chapter 17, the last section of this chapter is on indoor air pollution. So here's some stats for you. In developed countries, the #1 leading cause of death from indoor air pollution is cigarette smoking, and then #2 is radon. In developing countries, a lot of places you have indoor cooking fires, and so from indoor air pollution, that's the #1 cause of death from indoor air pollution in developing countries. We don't cook indoors in the United States. So for us, it's smoking and radon. If you're going to die from indoor air pollution. Okay. So it's not the overall leading cause of death. It's the leading cause of death from indoor air pollution. All right, so let's talk about radon. So radon. So specifically, it's called radon-222 gas. That's the isotope of radon. It's caused from natural decay of uranium in bedrock. It's worse in well insulated. I don't know why I put ventilated, but it's the opposite. So if you have a really good insulation on your house and you have radon coming in through your bedrock, it's worse. So we get radon detection in a lot of parts of the country where they have a lot of radon and you have basements. You have to get it radon inspected when you buy and sell a house. In California, we don't have basements because of earthquakes, so we don't really have very much radon problems here in California. You can see by the map there is radon that occurs here, but we don't have basements, so it's not a big deal. It's radon, we test for that in our groundwater too, because the gas, it's natural gas, it's not natural gas, it's a gas that is natural. Natural gas is something different. We'll talk about that in another chapter. It can be dissolved in groundwater and that enters homes through a well. So well water should also be tested for radon. Okay, mitigation, how do you fix it? So let's say your house has radon. What do? You get a vent pipe system and a fan to suck the radon out of a building or create better other kinds of ventilation systems. So vent pipe system or a different type of ventilation system is how you fix it. Going on to page 477, so health effects of indoor air pollutant include asthma, skin allergies, infectious disease. It impairs the immune system. Some types of indoor air pollutants, outdoor air pollutants. So we talked about these things are outdoor air pollutants, but there also can be found indoors. So if people have indoor cooking fires, even things like candles in our house actually produce air pollution. Kind of crazy, but they do. So when you burn a candle in your house, you are releasing VOx, you're releasing particulate matter in your house. It's kind of crazy, but true. These are also a ton of other sources, so you need to read through all of these things that can cause indoor air pollution. On a nice day, especially in the winter time, when it's nice out, you should open your windows because it helps release indoor air pollution to the outside. Now, in the summer, the outdoor air pollution is worse, so keep your windows closed. But in the winter or on nice days without air pollution outside, open your windows, circulate your house. So know this picture and sources of indoor air pollution, ways to mitigate, which means fix. Open your window. Plants. So indoor plants can absorb indoor air pollution. So the more houseplants you have, the better. Choose VOC-free, so volatile organic compounds. Choose VOC-free paint. So when you want to paint your house, you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and you can choose VOC-free paint. Most of them are VOC-free now. When I started teaching this course a long time ago, over a decade ago, there weren't, and you had to specifically look for VOC-free paint. But now they're almost all VOC-free paint. Don't smoke in your house. Choose less toxic products like cleaning products. Your scented candles should be soy candles with essential oils, not regular petroleum wax candles with fragrances. They have way worse air pollution. No fires indoors. Now, hey, I like a fire indoor. They do produce air pollution. So if you want to reduce your indoor air pollution, that's one way you can reduce your indoor air pollution. And that is it for chapter 17. That was a lot.